Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to carry on our discussion about the ATM.DAY. Before we move on, I just have to make you aware that this is not a financial advice. Everything what I'm saying here is only for educational and entertaining purposes, all right? So understand that you have to do all your own research before you invest in any of those type of assets, because everything is very risky, right? So do your own research, guys. Okay, so now ATM.DAY, guys, I already covered it in a few videos previously, so you by now, if you watch my channel, you are aware of this particular software. I think it's a great software, right? This software gives you a sort of additional filtering in place, right? So instead of going through all those coins which be introduced here on the Axiom, for example, okay, new creations and so on and so forth, okay, while using ATM.DAY, you've got an advantage because they're actually coming up with the tokens which they have a probability of of pumping, right? So here we go. We analyze the expectations of professional traders and market insiders with sentiment data based on 20,000 constantly profitable wallets and 30 plus other metrics, right? Quite cool. Now, for example, this one here, right? So once you log in, you need to use your Telegram, okay, to use it to log in. Once you log in, okay, you're gonna get yourself a notification like that, okay, on their main website. For example, this token popped about 10 minutes ago. Yeah, exactly. So it appeared on this website 10 minutes ago. So according to them, 127 wallets went in. Okay, one of those profitable wallets. Okay, with 139 million tokens bought, right? So volume in altogether was 13,000, right? So, and they decided, okay, based on not only this fact, how many wallets aped in, but also on any those other 30 metrics, okay, that this token has a probability of 42% to with a future pump expectation, okay? I noticed that, okay, I did a quick research on it, okay, it's nothing special, to be honest with you, all right? However, I decided to buy it, right? I buy it here. Obviously, it dropped right after my buy. Surprise, surprise, you know. But anyway, I still keep holding that token because I still have a good feeling that this is actually might turns out to be profitable, right? We got some good volume, like 38,000, or in the last 5 minutes. Okay, not volume is we are in green right now. Okay, there's a number of sales, number of buys. Okay, but there is still volume going on here. Okay, so look, this is something which is happening right now. I'm actually in profit. Okay, in a few seconds, I obviously might be down, but anyway, okay, I'm decided okay to hold that token for at least some time, right? To see what's going to happen, right? So there's about 280 pro traders in, holders 508. Okay, bubble map it was looking good. I don't know what's happened now, but let me see. Let me refresh it. Maybe bubble maps will pop out differently now, but it looks okay. Like I decide, okay, I can ape in with a small amount and see what's going to happen. Okay, we are already in profit of 70%. All right, but still, guys, this is something like as I said in my previous videos. Okay, this software does not guarantee you that you're going to win each and every call, right? This is only a filter, right? So imagine that let's say on Axiom Pro, they have it here a little widget saying ATM.DAY filtering, right? Or here, when you go into, let's say, to polls, okay, and you go into filtering, okay, and there's like, a field where it says ATM.DAY, blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean? So instead of like, for example, having those like pro traders or dev migrations, okay, if they will include that, for example, ATM.DAY field, right? It's a filter, guys. It's really up to yourself to decide where to get in, right? So this is something which obviously you have to make a decision, right? I bought it here. We are now in green, okay, 20%, all right, and I might sell it. I might hold it for a little longer. I think I will hold it for a little longer, okay. We'll see what's happened, right, guys? But still, like 20%, it's decent, right? I'm telling you, not every call is magic, okay. Not every call brings you money here, but from my experience, okay, at least I don't know, maybe 7 out of 10, 6 out of 10 of those calls are bringing me some sort of additional revenue, right? Basically, I'm making like between 20 and 30%. And some of those calls are really making they're really good money, okay? So for example, we already 40%, 90, 50, between 40 and 50%, okay? Look, it might change any second now, okay? It's really up to yourself, to your trading skills, to hold it, to sell it, to wait a little longer, okay? I might wait a little longer. Who knows? It might comes up into this stage here, right? So I bought it here. If it will comes back, I'll make it like a 2, 3x, okay? But it might not, all right? I only hold in because I can see there is a still volume and there's a quite amount of volume. Look, it's a 70K, right? Before I think it was 30, wasn't it, when we started this video? But now it's 70K, okay, and it's growing. The number of buyers are growing, and that volume is in green, okay, and the pro traders is going up, holders are going up, okay. People start noticing this coin, right? And guess what? ATM.DAY, I introduced that coin 40 minutes ago. It was just about this time here, right? So look, it's still a bit of time left, okay, for you to do this decision, okay. Make sure that you know what you are actually about to get in, okay. Make sure that amount you are actually putting in is something which you can afford to lose in case if that happens, right? And the rest of it is up to yourselves, your trading skills, right? This is a filter, guys. ATM.DAY, great tool, but this is a filter. It's not showing you where to enter, where to exit, right? It's just showing you probability that this pump might happen with this coin, right? Here is only 42%. It's less than a flip of the coin. Fifth of the coin is a 50%, right? Here's 42, but I still decided to opt in, okay? And I already have a 14% up. I was about 50% up here on this stage, and I think I will hold for a little while and see what's happened, right? I'm just telling you guys that this is a really good call. This is really good project. The guys are trying to I'm trying to introduce to my viewers via those videos, okay? And I'm only calling this as a good project because I'm testing it. I'm testing it constantly, and I'm getting some results, okay? And those results are sometimes negative, sometimes positive, okay? But mostly they are positive. And why they are positive? Because I know what this tool is about. It's not a bot, right? It's not something which will actually set up the trade for you. It's only a filter, okay? The guys are coming up with those type of coins which they are expecting according to their algorithm to do well, okay? Or at least do something in it like near to be good, some sort of, 42%. For some people might be, oh, it's not good enough. I'm not investing in anything which is less than 50%. Fair enough, right? You can do that the way you prefer, like when you say six. But look, guys, sometimes those coins when I even see 72% and they are going to zero, right? So it's not guaranteed. Remember, this is not a and this is only an algorithm, okay? Sometimes those algorithms actually are making the mistakes, but it doesn't mean that if they are good, okay, they are not making more good calls, okay, in comparison to bad calls, right? So, in my opinion, okay, if it is a good call, it is a good tool. You have to make sure that you know what you are doing while trading, okay? If you are beginning, do not invest in it, okay? You have to pay for this tool, right? And it's not coming cheap, right? It's about 230 dollars for a month. If you want to go with the quarterly or even with this lifetime access, you can also do that, okay? But make sure that you know what you are entering in, okay? I will be leaving the link inside the description of this video to get an access to it, okay? And additionally, you will get 7 days pro subscription if you go through my link, right? So guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video, okay? I'll be loving I can see that this is actually going red, but it doesn't matter. I'm still okay to hold at least to, let me see, at least to this point, right? Okay, I think I'll be okay to hold it here. Most likely, at some stage, this coin might drop here, okay, but I'm okay. I'm okay because look, the volume is here, okay. There is a still buy, still sales, okay. The pro traders, I think this coin it can easily go up into where it was a few minutes ago, okay. And if it that's potential 3x for me, okay. I'm not saying that it's gonna happen in 10 minutes, might happen in an hour or two, but we'll see, okay. I can leave it here, Okay, I'm not really, bothering me if I will lose that $8 because I don't think so. I will lose, okay, because I have a good feeling about this coin, right? But still, guys, this is not a financial advice. You have to do your own research. You have to be comfortable with you are investing in, okay? And again, treat this ATM.DAY as a filter, right? Not a trading bot, as a filter, right? Guys, that's all what I want to cover in this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button. If you can subscribe to my channel, it would be much, much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.